In geometric progression, sum of the terms of an infinite series where r is less than 1. So Sn is equals to a by 1 minus r. A is the first term and r is the common ratio. If you know the series of infinite series, we can apply this formula directly. Okay, for any value of the n. Now let us see this question. A ball is thrown up in the air for 450 meters. Every time the ball hits the ground, it will bounce back 1/3 of the height it went the last time. The ball repeats this bounce as long as it rests in the ground. What is the total distance covered by the ball? Okay, they hit to above 450 meters. So it went to 450 meters above, again returned 450 meters down. Next time it is 1/3. Okay, that means the series if you make for just for going up and down, so distance covered is 900 meters. Okay, first one series, this is 900. Next time it's 1/3. Okay, 1/3 of 450. 1/3 of 450 is 150. So that means it's go up is again next time is 150. Again return is 150. 150 plus 150. So next time 300. So this is written. Again for the third. So 150 plus 150 in that again 1/3. So 1/3 of 150 meters. So 50. Okay, reducing every time 1/3 is reducing. Remember 50. 50 is 100. So 900, 300, 100, so on. Now this is the series. So no need of till at how much distance you covered. So as per the problem. Now in this problem we need to find out a value. That is the first term. Okay, 900 is a. Again the common ratio is any term divided by the previous term. 300 divided by 900. That is 1/3. 1 by 3. 3 and 1. So a is 900. R is 1 by 3. Just apply the formula. Okay, Sn. The sum of the total distance it covered, that is 900. Formula is a by 1 minus r. Right? 900 by 1 minus r value is 1 by 3. So 900 divided by, simplify. So 2 minus 1. 3 minus 1. So 2/3. So 900 into 3 by 2. 2 ones is 450 into 3. So 1350 meters. So total distance it covered to rest in the ground, you cover total 1350 meters. Okay, the main thing is we need to frame the series first as per the question. If you make the series, now this is the formula you can apply. The distance covered is a divided by 1 minus r. This is only for the infinite series. We can apply, this is the problem.